halls of Rennie, you'll see many examples of school beautification and art installations. All students from grades 7 to 11, including sport études, get to have art as an elective.
As an educator, I feel that music is a very important subject for some students. It allows them to express themselves and to get to know who they are as people.
I think woodworking is a great opportunity for students to get involved in something that's very hands-on. There are lots of students who really enjoy this opportunity to get to work with the tools and build something. There's a real sense of accomplishment when you build something yourself. And I think it's a skill set that many students in recent years haven't been leaving school with.
So the first way we would involve these students in beekeeping is by sort of getting them hooked at lunchtime. We'll have some sort of initiation sessions. And then as we find out which students are more dedicated, we will have after school events, and even during the summer we'll have a couple of meetings where we can do extraction and beekeeping maintenance.
Cooking is a Cycle 2 option where students get a chance to practice a lot of their practical skills in the kitchen, and so that they can then bring that home to their families. We have a lot of opportunities to collaborate with other programs in the community and have guest chefs come in to explain either pastry skills or cooking skills, so the students get a lot of outside influence as well. We travel around Montreal to different restaurants, and also we go to cooking schools and Jean Talon markets, so that students get a really well-rounded view of food and food culture.
So right now we're in the wood shop at John Rennie, and we've just sort of revived this program 4 years ago. We slowly started with the grade 9s, and then we've moved up to grade 10 and 11. This is sort of a room where the kids get to work hands-on, do some work that they can apply at home also, and by the end we're sort of hoping that they could do basic work at home. So use a little bit of the miter saw, hang up some picture frames, and just do a little bit of home maintenance safely.
Yoga is an option class offered to Cycle 2 students here at John Rennie High School. The only requirement for yoga is simply to keep an open mind.
Here at John Rennie, there's something for everyone.